A Scrivener project can contain a lot of files: chapters, scenes, character sheets, research, and more. Scrivener's interface helps you navigate and display these various elements, but the editor generally only shows one item. Quick reference windows let you look at other items in your project without displaying them in the editor. You can use them to check scenes or chapters that you're not working on, glance at files in your research folder, or view almost any item in your Scrivener project. A quick reference window is a small window that you can display for almost any element in the binder. You can use these stripped-down windows to view or edit a file, to check details in your research, and more. They act like regular windows that you can reposition and move to the background to work in the editor. You can display multiple quick reference windows, and if you want them to stay visible in front of other Scrivener windows, choose Window, Float Quick Reference Panels. The easiest way to display a quick reference window is to select an item in the binder and press the spacebar. A quick reference window displays, and you can position this window where you want, then click another item in the binder to view it in the editor. You can display multiple quick reference windows like this. Select all the items you want to display, then press the spacebar. They all open in quick reference windows. You can also display quick reference windows by choosing Navigate, Open Quick Reference. From this menu, you can choose to open any element in the binder as a quick reference window. The inspector pop-up at the top right of the window allows you to display the different elements of the inspector. For example, if you want to view the synopsis for a file, you can click this menu and choose Synopsis. Quick reference windows are a great way to keep an eye on different parts of your projects and can save you a lot of time navigating the binder when you need to check something. You can download a 30-day free trial of Scrivener for Mac or Windows at scrivener.com.